And so we were going, what's going to happen to this when we're gone? You know, what's going to happen here? We realized that 20 acres, one guy could come in here, and a week after we were dead, this whole thing could be cleared for horse pasture or whatever. The basic feeling has been, look, just as we help the community and as small farms surrounding a community become a source of stable food supply for that community, the community has to recognize that they're part of that partnership. And the more it's in front of them, the more it's in front of them.
That's an important discussion. It's not an easy one to make, because people only think about the price they pay for food most of the time.
Yeah, that's right.
They don't think about the relationship they have that's deeper. What you're doing is something very new. It's challenging the land trust to think about sustainability in a really different way. 20 acres takes as much time to monitor as it does to monitor a 500 acre block a lot of times.